Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Bright Future with Bhavisha. Today we will learn chapter number 4, Exploring Magnets of Science of class 6th of NCERT syllabus. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Electricity and magnetism are those forces of nature by which people who know nothing about electricity and magnetism can explain everything. What are magnets? A magnet is an object that attracts materials like iron, nickel, cobalt and steel. The force by which a magnet attracts or repels is called magnetic force. Types of magnets. There are two types of magnet. First, natural magnet and second, artificial magnet. Natural magnet is found in nature while artificial magnet are made in factories. Example of natural magnet, lodestone or magnetite. Example of artificial magnets, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, cylinder magnet. Who first discovered magnet and how? In simple language, long ago in ancient Greece, there was a shepherd named Magnes. He used to take his sheep to the mountains. One day while walking on a hill called Mount Magnesia, something strange happened. The iron tip of his stick and the iron nails in his sandal suddenly got pulled toward a black rock. This rock was a lodestone, a naturally magnetic stone. Magnes was surprised and realized that this stone could attract iron. This is how the first magnet was discovered, because the stone was found in Magnesia and by Magnes it was named magnet. Uses of magnet in compasses for navigation, refrigerator door rubber lining, motors and generators, speakers and microphones, toys, magnetic clips, magnetic stickers. I repeat, uses of magnet. First, in compasses for navigation. Second, refrigerator door rubber lining. Third, motors and generators. Fourth, speakers and microphones. Fifth, toys, magnetic clips, magnetic stickers. Finding directions. A freely suspended magnet always points in the north-south direction. Hence, magnets are used in magnetic compasses to find directions. Losing magnetism, demagnetization. A magnet can lose its magnetic property if heated, hammered. Proper storage of magnets. Bar magnets should be stored in pairs with opposite poles together and a keeper across them.